Beautiful large one bedroom in Kew Gardens. It's the entrance. On the right is the coat closet. It's the living room, a large living room. Beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling. It's got a lot of light during the day. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets. Windows in the kitchen. It's the linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. This is the bedroom. There's a double door closet. Beautiful apartment. Elevator building, laundry in the building, has a part-time doorman. 2 blocks from the express train, the E train and F train on Union Turnpike station. An apartment's very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.